Hello everyone, welcome back to Rocky Ridge Auto. Today we're checking out this 2024 Kia Soul LX. Has Apple CarPlay Android Auto as well as in this beautiful red color. So let's hop inside and take a look. Now that we're inside the Kia Soul, we can see that it has 43,000 miles. You can access things within the instrumental panel over here on the right hand side. So you can see your accumulated info, go throughout your user settings, info like your tire pressure, maintenance, safety settings, and accumulative info back to that. Your steering assist, this helps you stay in lines while you're driving. Adaptive cruise control, use that on highway and stuff like that. You have your hands-free calling and voice commands, volume, tune, mode, and start favorites over here. Over to the left of that, you have your interior lighting settings, traction control off, and then of course your auto off for that stop and go traffic. Checking out over here, which is your touchscreen display, everything within your home menu, then customize this however you would like. You have what you're listening to and then your date and time. You have your all menus, phone, media, and setup. Checking out your all menus, you can see things like your phone projection and setup, user manual, in case you don't have one here in the glove box, which you don't. But let's go ahead and check out your setup, which is everything with your display, device connections, and Wi-Fi. Speaking of device connections, media, AM and FM radio, Bluetooth audio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, USB, everything like that. Nice and easy with radio and media over here on the left, and then so you can track over here for your radio setup, volume, and tune. Hazard lights down below that. And let's check out your backup camera. Putting this in reverse, you have a nice clear backup camera, and then you have alerts that pop up on your dash to see if things are coming to the left or right of you, so you stay safe when backing up. You have your climate controls down below here, which has your temperature, airflow, and then mode. Adjust that as you would like. AC, ventilation, stuff like that. Down below here, you have some 12-volt charging ports and a USB storage and stuff like that. For a wallet, extra keys, things like that. Gear shifts, drive modes, which let's check out your drive modes up here. We have sport and normal for your drive modes. So sport is putting it into drive, sliding it over for that auto manual kind of feel. Sport, emergency brake back here, center console with some storage, and then cloth seating for the interior of this Kia Soul. Sunglass holder up top, and you have that visor with a mirror. Let's go ahead and check out the interior, back seats, stuff like that. So I already mentioned you have a cloth interior, you have black with a gray, and you do have your gas cap release there on the floor. Let's check out the back seats here. You have a decent amount of legroom and space back here. You can sit 3 people, so a total of 5 people within this Kia Soul. A decent amount of headroom as well. A lot of the Kia Souls have a good cabin space, stuff like that, along with the comfortable ride. Let's take a step to the trunk space. Opening this up, you actually have a nice little opening that has a decent amount of space. Under here, you have a spare tire and some tools. Warranty and information manual, stuff like that. So your manual that wasn't in the glove box is right here. But that's about it that I have for this Kia Soul. You can put down the second row seats, of course, for some more storage, but overall, not bad. That's all I have for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you have any questions, feel free to text or call 717-733-8985, or you can stop in for a visit, take a car for a test drive, see if this is the car for you. But until then, have a great day. See you next time.